All right, let's take a look at what the page is presenting us this week. Here is the video to introduce the second week. And now let's take a look at the links. I put a link for the textbook here. Yes, you have a copy of your text. All the slides here. Here you have the reading check slides. You're going to type here. I want you to respond in these slides here. Here's your vocabulary. Also in slides. With your vocabulary, I want you to put the word and definition here, rewrite it in a sentence, and then paste an image, which is very easy to do. We can say continental divide. Continental divide images. And that's this week. Also make sure to check out the introduction video for the week.